What is good? What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua Trey, Lord himself, come to you live. Yo, video three. Three videos in a row, bro. So let me go over what's going on currently. So this is a loss that I took today. And so let's start off like that. Start off with a loss. Why we took this loss? Right here. Had a win situation there. Then we had the smaller win right here. I was expecting another smaller win. So I was expecting this basically. And I set up this. What am I doing? So this is point A, point B on the 1 hour chart. At that point in time, came here, clipped. And what I was looking for on this one was I took this trade just like this. But the mistake I did was not the trade itself. That trade was valid to take. But the mistake I did was I risked. I was basically at work and I was like, just do a $200 risk to make $100 on that one, and I lost $200 right there. Instead of I should have. This is what I really would have did. I was trying to remember what I was doing on this pair. I should have risked 100 to make 50, but I would have lost just 100. But it's all good, all good in the hood. Very next one, would I be risking the same thing? Now 200 to make 100 and get at least 100 of that back. And if not, all shits and giggles. It is what it is. So I'm just catching up to the current market. As you can see here, I see a wick right here. That's surpassed this wick. So that's the high, and this is the last two candle formation. That is, well, that's that is on the 1 hour chart. So it broke structure. Now we're down structure on the 1 hour currently. So I do it just red lines the 1 hour. And that's what I currently see now. So this fib is deleted. No longer extending because this is what's going on right now. And all you have to do is basically wait for that 1 hour to break structure back up to the upside. And with the 4 hour, I already did that and brought it in after it made new highs. Because before, before the 4 hours already down here. Yeah, there's this right here. And use the fib. It's point A and point B right over here. And that was the 4 hour. Why is that? Well, when this was the highest point. What to the left is the last two candle formation that's bearish. That's yellow candles. Yellow candles by itself. Yellow candle 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 by itself. And then you have the two right here, right? And with these two was the lowest point to the right. Lowest point to the right is this situation right here. So this is now the break of structure, and that is the continuation point, right? Bada bing, bada boom. That's simple. That's simple. Then we have a continuation on we hit the 28, the 23.6, the 38.2, and from the 38.2 we bounced up and did a continuation. With that continuation, we have on the 4-hour now this new high. Last two candle formation that was bearish was right here, and now this right here is the lowest point right there. So we have up structure on the 4-hour. We are up structure on the month, up structure on the week, and up structure on the daily, right? And now we're up structure on the 4-hour, and we're just waiting for the 4-hour to flip back up. And when the 1-hour flips back up, I now have the probabilities on my favor. Yeah, this win, this middle win, then this win right here. I'm expecting. Tell you what I'm expecting. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while since it had another one of these by its side. And I see that as probabilities. But you can still go for it. The wrong way. Wrong way approach. And all I have to do is wait for this 1-hour candle to flip up and break structure. So I can do a signal here. And then I can just do 200. Okay. This is irrelevant. Yeah, I just thought I'd put. Wait for 1-hour break of structure. And that's done deal right there. The high is 436. I just want to make sure this red line is 436, not 437. And we are done here. That's simple on that pair. This stuff, well, looks like test failed on that one. Oh, good in the hood. So what it did is the 4-hour. So it did a 4-hour continuation here on Euro USD, right? So let's go read. All right, so we're down structure on Euro USD on the monthly. Came up. We're about a 50% retracement level. So when we do these structured levels, right? These structured levels are fibs too as well, and we're at the 61.8 level. That was the highest point. It looks like it wants to go for higher, but we'll see. Right now we're in this range, and it looks like it's going to shoot up. So if it shoots up, that means the weekly is going against the weekly as well. Weekly is in down structure, point A, point B, and we're at basically a 0.76 retracement right now, which is very far back retracement for if this thing's come collapsing down. Chances are on us for breaking structure is pretty high, knowing that the monthly most likely want to go up with the weekly and the daily. Thing about the daily is also in up structure too as well. As you can see, we did basically a 78.6 continuation. We surpassed this high, so now this fib is irrelevant, and now we have a new high on the daily, which is our orange, and we can pull this bad boy up because this is the last two candle formation, and this is the lowest point, and that is now the new daily break of structure. And it goes to the 4 hour now. In the 4 hour, it's the same as the high on the daily, right? And for the daily break of structure, from this high, last two candle formations here, what to the right. So now this is the new 4 hour break of structure within the daily structure. The low is 278. Boom, boom. And I'm just waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. And that 4 hour break of structure can be soon or not. It could do another continuation, but we'll see. We'll see. And I'm waiting for this 2 right ways in a row. Okay. So really, yeah, we're about to get busy on this one. Yeah. Let's see what you mean. All right. So, and then, yeah, I'm not doing nothing on the 1 hour until the 4 hour break structure. And that's Euro USD. CAD. Demonstration on CAD. We're up structure on the monthly, up structure on the weekly, up structure on the daily, and 4 hour is down structure. Now I see on the 4 hour, this is education now. We made a new low. So with that new low, since we made a new low, the moment we make the new low, we always look to what is to the left is the last two candle formation. That's bullish, and this is these two right here. And from to the right was the highest point. This place right here. This is, remember, this is now irrelevant. That's to the left, and this is to the right on these two candle formation right here. So now this is the new 4 hour break of structure. So now I can do this 685. And then possibly we could be looking to break structure or continue down further. But since market did a continuation there, deep one too, a little bit, I can see this 4 hour break of structure point. It's right exactly where I want it to be for this little strategy I'm testing out on the 4 hour. So like every time a 4 hour, I'll tell you that it's not like a big secret or anything. Like every time the 4 hour does a continuation, trade the next one right after it, entry 50% level, and count on it for the break the structure. So I'm basically doing this very simple trade. And I'm trading the 4 hour like that. And I have this one a little below the continuation point to give it that next extra stretch for spread and everything. But this is be an excellent trade to take right here. But remember, you're in down structure on the 4 hour. You're waiting for that thing to break. And of course, when we're waiting for this thing to break, I can also take this trade. But I will not be doing that trade on my $6,000 live account. I will be doing it on a demo account because this is also a test. And that's how I test things out. I use my demo account in the way it's properly supposed to be used to test things out. And then when it's time to make, going for the money, I test out, I do the strategies that makes me money, right? That's the story. That's the Blue Jay strategy. What I'm showing you guys is basically my Robin trap strategy. That's what But this one right here, this doesn't really have a name. This is just a 4-hour strategy. I say break a structure. It's very simple. I just gotta get the stop loss here, and then I can put it in my demo. 340, 34 is the stop loss. 34 pips. But yeah, guys. Come on, what the heck? All right, cool. What is this? USD CAD for this one. No, I just do yeah, and then 34 pips. 12.05. Let's try it out. This is USD CAD. I am expecting this USD CAD to drop. Another hint with my Blue Jay strategy. But it could pop up. Okay, I know what to do. It's a risk. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, shit. It's already starting to go. 8.02. I want some good entry, man. Sorry, priming his way up. Sorry for the quietness. I'm just focused. Focus. But I hope you guys got the gist of it, man. Just wait for that one. Oh, is this? Oh no, it's not NZD. I need NZD to look like that. Where is NZD? Oh, NZD USD coming back around. So this is the trade in the first video. Sound I'll take. And right now, currently, it's doing something like this. Now looking for this thing to come all the way down to here. But let's see if I can get that. And that would be swell. That would be $100 right there. Since I'm risking the 200 on this one, I'll be $100 right there and make that back. But that's the last thing I wanted to show you guys right there, and that's what's going on. And now you can see the development, because if you saw from the first video of this little series I got going on, this was basically non-existent. The price was all the way down here. So now price is fully developed to the point that it's now, and we're gonna see probably on the next video, I might make a fourth one of this hitting TP or coming up and stopping me out and we look for a new trade. It's really that simple, man. It's trading, you just gotta accept it how it is. All right, for that is take care.